Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, grade 1. How are you all doing? Good? That's very great. Yes, I'm also good, alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your social studies class. So, in today's class, we will be talking about the cloudy day, okay? So, you know that we have started the topic which is weather. And last week we talked generally about what the weather is. So, who is going to define weather for me? That when you look outside from your window, what you can see over there, and whether it's a sunny day, whether it's a cloudy day, can you see the sun, or there are clouds on the sky, or is it raining or not, right? So this is basically weather. That how what do you feel and how it looks like. Okay, so in yesterday's class, we have talked about the sunny day and we have talked about the characteristics of a sunny day. That how do a sunny day looks like. So, who is going to tell me the characteristics of a sunny day? Let's quickly devise that. Yes, a sunny day is bright and fresh. Then we usually go to beaches or we have mostly have outdoor activity plans on sunny days. Yes, what else? Yes, what are the things associated with sunny day? A hat, then a t-shirt, then sunglasses, then we have light clothes, right? Then we have different juices, then we have beach trees, right? So all of these things are related with that because I introduce you with vocabulary of the sunny day as well, right? Okay. So now let's have a look at what are the characteristics of or what is the vocabulary of a cloudy day, right? So remember that when I in the last week I showed you a video which was an art video related to the weather, and in that there was this symbol. I told you that basically these are the symbols which are being associated with different weather, right? So the symbol for the cloudy day was like there were like clouds, a symbol more like that. Or if we talk about in cloudy days, sometimes we have the sun as well somewhere behind the clouds. So a symbol more like this, or there are only clouds, right? This is a symbol of cloudy day. Now, after looking at this picture, can you tell me about the characteristics of a cloudy day? Or if we make a comparison between this with a sunny day, a cloudy day is not that much bright and fresh as compared to sunny day, right? Beside that, on cloudy day, we do not have more sunlight. We do not plan outdoor activities. Well, yes, if we talk about summers, cloudy day is considered to be as a good day because it's not that much hot. So yes, people do plan outdoor activities. But if we talk about winter, people avoid outdoor activities because after clouds there is rain and nobody wants to get wet in the winter season, right? So that is why outdoor activities are there in summer, but sorry, yes, but not in winter. What else? Sunlight is not that much, the day is not bright. We have talked about outdoor activities. So I'm going to share the screen with you. Let's first watch this interesting video about summer and winter. Through this, you will get an idea about the weather, the general weather, and then we will discuss the vocabulary of it as well. Okay. So let me share the screen with you. Show me a thumbs up if it is visible to you or not. Done? Okay.
The kinds of weather. Let's discuss winters. Winters are cold, but they're beautiful. It has snow, but the weather is really cold. It's hard to go outside. So we stay indoors and have fun. That's winters. Then we have summers. Summers are hot, sunny, shiny, and playful. We all go out, go for festivals, beaches, and parks because summers are hot and sunny.
Okay. So So you have seen that in that basically in the sunny in the summer and winter, because winters and usually winters we have such days, cloudy days, right? Because it rains a lot in winters. So but people do, okay, I love cloudy days. Why? Because it's not that much cold and it's not that much hot, so it's basically something which is in between hotness and coolness, right? That is why I love cloudy days, not rainy in winters, but yes, rainy in summers as well. So now I'm going to share the screen with you. There is this, see what are some characteristics of the cloudy day. Over here, there is this picture in which the characteristics of cold and cloudy day has been mentioned. If we talk about the temperature, in summer the temperature is 20 to 30 degrees centigrade in daytime and 17 to 27 at night. And if we talk about winter, it is 4 to 8 degrees centigrade during day and 3 to 4 at night. Okay, what about humidity? Humidity is generally high. Now, what does humidity means? The moisture in air, okay? So it is generally high and ranges from 70 to 80%. Then if we talk about the precipitation, so annually total precipitation is about 1000 millimeter and is distributed even thoroughly. And if we talk about the sky condition, leave the precipitation, look at the sky condition. Sky is overcast for most part of the year except during the brief summer. Okay, if you just look at the sky on normal basis as well, you might see some clouds somewhere, right? There are, well, usually in summers we don't find clouds and the sky is very clear. But if we talk about winters, this is very normal that we do have clouds on the sky somewhere, right? And the sun is not that much fresh and the day is not that much bright, right? Okay, now let's have a look at the vocabulary of cloudy day as well. Okay, in this picture, the basically the vocabulary of all types of weather has been mentioned. So we will be focused on the clouds. So the vocabulary related to clouds is cloudy. Then we have gloomy as well. You see that when it is about to rain, sometimes before the storm, it gets gloomy. It gets dark everywhere, right? When the sky gets cover with black clouds, so that is gloomy. Then foggy as well. Well, we do have foggy in winters with the clouds, then overcast and then clear. Well, the sky do gets clear after it rain with the clouds even as well, right? So these are some vocabulary terms which are being associated with cloudy day. Now what I want you is that take out your notebooks, take out your pencils, make a picture of a cloudy day. What you can do is you can make, okay, let me give you an idea of it. What you can do, make a picture, just make a square, then make some clouds on the sky. On the corner, make a small sun as well, who is trying to show, but the clouds are not letting it, okay? Then what you can make that, because it's a cloudy day, not sunny, so the children are playing. Then you can show the scene of a beach, you can show the scene of a playground, you can show the scene of a garden, anywhere, right? It's up to you. So it was just an idea. Now start drawing. Yes, all of you are done. Okay, show it to me one by one. Wonderful. Okay, class. So that was all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Do share this video with others because it's free learning. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.